Today's DIY project is 3 simple concoctions, and when I say simple, I mean simple because they're just 2 or 3 ingredients each. It may take some time from beginning to end because you're infusing some oils with herbs or simmering something on the stovetop, but overall it will take just a few minutes to put all those ingredients together. There are dozens and dozens of recipes online, so take a look to find just the right one for you or get creative and come up with one on your own. I hope I've piqued your interest, so take a look and have fun. First up are infused olive oils. Be sure to use a high quality oil and add chili peppers, rosemary, or maybe thyme, and add some pretty dipping bowls with your gift. Next are flavored salts made with herbs and spices and even dried citrus. These are perfect with meats and fish. They even flavor popcorn and scrambled eggs. A salt bowl or glass jar makes a perfect holder. And finally, simple syrups. These will cost $6 to $7 to buy pre-made, but literally cost pennies to make because it's just water and sugar. You can infuse them with cinnamon, vanilla, all sorts of spices, ginger, berries, or even jalapenos. Gifting this with a fun cocktail book will surely be a big hit. I hope you have fun trying some of these.